From the moment you first pull in, you can feel it. There's excitement, there's anticipation, there's a whole summer of family memories waiting to be made. There's a feeling you get at James Creek RV Resort that you just don't get anywhere else. The call to discover and get lost in the wonder of nature, to play games together, and to sample everything the campground has to offer. You can hear it invite you to enjoy life, to find adventure on the waves, to take a moment for yourself among friends and family and just truly relax. That feeling is strong enough to carry us through an entire vacation or an entire season, and we ride the high from every corner of the campground, through every event happening on site, and through every taste of the local area and chat around the picnic table. And when we give way to that feeling, when we let the simplicity and beauty of our time together carry us away from our worries and our responsibilities, the central Pennsylvania setting becomes just right for making memories that last a lifetime. Can you feel it? It's time to get away to James Creek RV Resort. Our journey is your journey. Let's go there together.